Morning everyone, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long while since I've been posting videos on YouTube. The last video was a cricket video. I've been playing cricket all this summer. Finally got a chance to ride my bike today. It's back from the bike shop. Had an issue with the wheels. I'll talk about that in a separate video. So today's ride plan, we are planning to ride to the Green Bridge of Wales, which is south of Pembrokeshire. It's near Castlemartin, Stackpole, Freshwater West, around that area. So I'm somewhere near Camrose at the moment. So I hope you enjoy this video. And our channel's just reached a small milestone. We've hit 100 subscribers, so thank you all for subscribing to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing and showing your support. Okay, let's make a move. Beautiful weather this morning. A little bit of a breeze coming through, but lovely when the sun is out. We're heading towards Keyston. Made it to Pembroke Castle. I think I've done 20 kilometers extra. The loop taking into Keyston and Knowlton, but that's fine. Gonna grab something to eat now and carry on. We still got another 25 kilometers to Castlemartin, so we're not far off. So something quick to eat and yeah, carry on. Cheers. made it to Freshwater West. I love coming to this spot. Hang on, let me get you a better view. Oof. This beach is known for surfing, and Dobby's grave from Harry Potter. It's a lovely descent to the beach, and we're not far off from Castle Martin, and I hope the roads are open, because they sometimes shut it because there's a firing range. Hopefully the roads are open so I can go. The wind's picked up a bit. I've been sat in the headwind all the way from Hundleton to Ango. Couple of minutes and then I'll be on my way. I love this descent. Gotta be careful though, there's sometimes sand in the road. So nice to have a tailwind. It's not so bad. We're almost there. Roads are horrible. I think we made it in the end. Ooh. It's quite a trek down here, and the roads are absolutely poor. Color of the ocean is wow, never seen it in this There it is. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is stunning, mate. That is absolutely stunning. Let's sit down here. The view is outstanding, but I couldn't fly the drone. Couldn't get the drone in the sky because this is an unauthorized airspace, so I need permission before I can fly the drone. So I'm not gonna risk it. That's a stunning place to come on your own or with family and spend some time here. The views are just spectacular. Right, time to head back home. It's gonna be a slog in the wind. Right, just a pointer. If there's an unauthorized fly zone and you have a drone, don't fly it. Don't take the risk, because your ID will pop up on the flight radar, and you might get into trouble. So it's not worth doing it. Loads of sugar. Haribos. 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 Final push home. Headed home. So that's 110 kilometers right by the numbers. 1,390 meters of elevation, and our ride time is 4 hours 30 minutes. Quite slow considering the distance, but the elevation was quite insane. Happy that the ride has gone well. So that's 110 kilometers, 100 subscribers. What a day on the ride. Thanks for watching, and do consider subscribing to support my channel and my content, and I shall see you guys in the next video.